So hello friends, good evening. Myself Lucky Negi from 8 Uttarakhand. I have bought a Byjus learning app kit for online studies. So in this video I will tell about unboxing the Byjus kit. So let's start. So here we got a bag. Wow, it's nice. It's a first pocket. Nice. So here is the tab. Byjus Learn Station. Byjus Learn Station. So here we unbox it. So here is the bag. Nice one. It is a fine quality bag. Nice. There is the first pocket. Oh. Nice. So here we unbox the Byjus tablet kit. Here we got Byjus tablet. Oh, nice. Here is a Byjus. This is instruction for start tab. Here what we got. Here is the bill of the Byjus tab. Here everything else. I got some Byjus books, instruction for Byjus tab. Follow this to start the tablet. Here I got some stickers. Oh, nice one. Wow. Here we got two sticker booklet. Oh, badge. Proud Byjus. Oh, two. Here we got a charger. Yes. Here we got a Byjus warranty card for instruction safety instruction. Yes. Okay, thank you all friends. Here we open this. First peel off, remove the here is the Byjus logo. Here press it for 5 seconds. Then it will start. And wait for Learn Station. Oh, nice. Here I got some subjects and some snapbook to capture photo. There are some quiz and games. Keep learning. So here you got the subjects which you want to read. Okay, now here you can also bout the tab and enjoy it. I have bought it for 8 to 10th standard. Nice one. So thank you. Thank you friends. This is the Byjus kit which I have unboxed. And thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.